I am Ashish Khanna, the director of Starflex International Company. Our company is based in New Delhi and we are manufacturing the flexographic printing machines for PP woven sacks industry. And it's a huge industry and we are the market leaders in woven sacks industry with approx 85% coverage in woven bags printing machine market. Our machine is very strong and sturdy machine as we are making a printing machine on cast iron frame which is 75 body thickness. Nobody in India is right now making such a strong and sturdy machine with a very good high speed printing machine that is up till 120 meters and 200 meters per minute speed that we are offering the Flexo market. And like we are in Hyderabad, so almost in Hyderabad we are having more than 90% coverage in Hyderabad market in the woven bags. And we are 40 years old company in flexographic printing machines. And we are having our units in New Delhi as well as in Rajasthan in Khushkeda industrial area. So anybody who requires a flexographic good printing machine, they can contact our company, Starflex International. Thank you.